The hippopotamus, often simply called the hippo, is one of the largest and most fascinating semi-aquatic mammals on Earth. Belonging to the family Hippopotami, which connects it to its closest living relatives, the cetaceans such as whales and dolphins, through evolutionary history. Hippos evolved around 55 million years ago, with fossil evidence indicating that they once roamed widely across Africa and Eurasia, connecting their current habitats to an extensive prehistoric distribution. The name hippopotamus comes from the Greek words hippos, meaning horse, and potamos, meaning river, directly referencing their river-dwelling habits and linking their identity to water habitats. Hippos are native to sub-Saharan Africa, inhabiting rivers, lakes, and mangrove swamps, which explains their strong adaptation to aquatic life and the necessity of water for their survival. They are known for spending most of the day submerged in water to maintain body temperature and prevent dehydration, linking their behavior directly to thermoregulation and skin protection. On land, hippos appear slow due to their bulky frame, but they can run at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour over short distances, connecting their physical strength to both aquatic and terrestrial survival. Hippos have thick, nearly hairless skin, which secretes a natural reddish substance often called blood sweat, acting as a sunscreen and antimicrobial layer, connecting physiology to environmental adaptation. They possess large mouths with impressive canines and incisors, which can grow up to 50 centimeters, used for defense against predators and in linking anatomy directly to social and survival behavior. Socially, hippos live in groups called pods, herds, or schools, typically consisting of 10 to 30 individuals, including females, calves, and a dominant male known as a bull, emphasizing the importance of social structure for protection and reproduction. These herds are highly territorial in water, with dominant males controlling stretches of river or lake and defending them against rivals, linking social hierarchy. The rhinoceros, often called the rhino, is one of the largest land mammals on Earth, known for its distinctive horn and massive body, and its history traces back millions of years, revealing its evolutionary journey. Rhinoceroses belong to the family Rhinocerotidae, which has existed since the Eocene epoch, approximately 50 million years ago, connecting modern rhinos to their ancient ancestors through fossil records. The word rhinoceros originates from Greek, where rhino means nose and ceros means horn, directly referencing their most iconic feature that has fascinated humans for centuries. Rhinos are herbivores, which means their diet consists primarily of plant material, including grasses, leaves, shoots, and fruits, allowing them to sustain their massive body weight, which can range from 800 kilograms to over 2,300 kilograms. There are 5 recognized species of rhinoceros in the world today: the white rhino, black rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino, and Sumatran rhino, each inhabiting distinct geographical regions, connecting their adaptations to the environment they live in. For instance, the white rhino and black rhino are primarily found in Africa, whereas the Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos reside in various parts of Asia, showing a clear biogeographical distribution shaped by evolution and habitat. The white rhino, the largest species, can weigh up to 2,300 kilograms and primarily grazes on grasslands, which makes its feeding behavior critical for maintaining the ecosystem as it promotes new plant growth and helps shape the landscape. In contrast, the black rhino is a browser, feeding on leaves, branches, and shrubs, which shows how dietary habits have diversified among rhino species to reduce competition and ensure survival. The Indian rhino, also known as the greater one-horned rhino, possesses thick, armor-like skin folds and a single horn, and it inhabits the floodplains of India and Nepal, linking its physical adaptations to the wetlands and forests of the region. The Javan rhino, extremely rare, is one of the most endangered mammals on Earth, with fewer than 80 individuals surviving today, living primarily in dense tropical forests of Java, Indonesia, highlighting the critical importance of conservation efforts to protect their fragile population. The Sumatran rhino, the smallest species, is covered with patches of long hair and is also critically endangered, emphasizing how human activities like deforestation and poaching have drastically reduced rhino populations across the globe. Poaching is largely driven by demand for rhino horn, believed in some cultures to possess medicinal and aphrodisiac properties, which tragically connects human myths to the near-extinction threat faced by these majestic animals. Rhinoceroses have remarkable sensory adaptations. Despite having relatively poor eyesight, they rely heavily on their acute sense of smell and hearing, allowing them to detect predators.